Here's a quick video review of the Nulaxy Model C900 USB Video Webcam. This is as it comes shipped. A little bit of the specs on the side and on the box. It does say video instead of video, which is kind of odd, but let's go ahead and open it up. We've got a standard instruction card, warranty card, the webcam itself. The unit looks pretty standard for a webcam. Comes with the front protected. This is a standard USB plug, and it has a articulating hinge here, so you can fit it pretty much on top of any laptop or screen, and also a privacy shield, which is a nice touch. The installation is pretty easy. Just perch it on top and open the privacy filter, plug it in. There's nothing else to install. Now, as for my setup, I do have a video light bouncing into an umbrella. It's nothing fancy, but it has enough light to make a decent recording. And here it is. The colors look good, they're accurate, it's good saturation, maybe a little bit over on the red for my tastes. One of the first things I noticed that there is kind of a spot on the image, maybe a speck between the lens and the sensor, as if I needed something to make my 80s popcorn ceiling look worse. Anyway, the detail is okay. It did seem a bit back focused, maybe I was standing too close. It is in a wide angle lens, so you get more image, but there is visible distortion, especially the edges. It might be good for a conference room setting, maybe more people further back. There's also a tripod mount on the bottom that I haven't shown you, so you can mount it on something else, which may come in handy if you need to show a different angle while video conferencing, besides just having your camera smack in the middle of your screen. There's also the value to consider. This camera sells on Amazon for just about $30, and at that price you definitely get what you pay for, and all things considered, probably a little more.
So this is an example of the Nulaxy 1080p webcam video. The audio is coming from my external mic, as you can see in the video, but if you look at the camera, it does have decent quality and it does handle the low light conditions of my room fairly well. When the light does get a bit low, it starts to have some artifacts in it and it starts to smooth out some features, so it's not quite as sharp as if I was doing this review in daylight, but there is only a single lamp in this room and that is the only light source in the room. So I would say it handles pretty well. Check out the rest of my review to see pictures of the camera set up on top of my monitor. But I will say that this was very easy to set up. It's plugged into a MacBook and the MacBook was able to recognize it without any problem. There was no additional software to download. It does have a pretty wide field of view. If you look at it, I think on the description it says it's 92 degrees. What that does mean is you will get a little bit of a fisheye effect as you stray away from the center of the camera, but so far that hasn't been a problem with me. Extremely clear quality, very easy to set up, and definitely a lot better than the built-in camera on my MacBook.
This is a test video to show the quality, and the face mask is because I can't be bothered to shave.
Hi, I thought I'd make a video review of the Nulaxy webcam. As you can see, it's pretty good. It has a nice clear picture. It perhaps struggles a little bit with direct light. I'm sat in front of a window, and so it struggles a little bit with, as you can see on my face, it's overexposing on my face, but it's not so bad. Has a really wide view, or you can see the overexposure on my arms here from the window. But anyway, it's a very wide view. The microphone works brilliantly in the webcam, much better than the built-in microphone to the laptop. And I should also say that the video on the webcam works a lot better than the video on my laptop too. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased with this webcam, especially for the price. Okay.
To use the webcam the first time, plug it into the USB port and let the software install automatically. And then you can go to the website you want. I'm on Zoom right now. And you open the shutter. And there you go. Great color, great resolution. The green indicator light tells you that you are connected. And you're all set.